In this video, let me show you two coins that can make you the most return in this very bull market. And as we enter into the heat of the bull market, this crypto have that capability of making you rich. This two coin is a must hold in your portfolio. If you like content like this, consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, turn the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Join our Telegram channel, the link in the description and also in the pinned comment. The number one crypto that you need to hold for this very bull market as we enter into the heat of the bull market is Turbo. If you look at Turbo all-time increase, look at it right here, 11,177% all-time increase. And this is very, very significant. It also means that Turbo have that capability of doing very, very well in the heat of the bull market. The price right now is 0.2085 and is ranked number 140 on coin market cap. If you go down a little bit, some person can be thinking of the market capitalization. Look at the market cap of Turbo right now, 557.7 million market capitalization. What that also means is that Turbo have not reached 1 billion. This is $500 million market capitalization, which means if this coin move up to 2 billion, 5 billion, and maybe 10 billion in the heat of the bull market, it means that you can make the most return out of this very coin, especially if you invest right now. And I'm going to go into the technical analysis part of this video so that you know the best time to invest in, even though you have the least $50. And if you look at Turbo, Turbo is a meme token. And if you look at the max supply, this is 69 billion, equal total supply right here. And the circulating supply is 65.3 billion Turbo already in circulation. And of course, the blockchain that Turbo is running on is the Ethereum blockchain. If you look at it right here, this is etherscan.io. And if you go down a little bit, where can you buy Turbo? But before I talk about that, like I said earlier, Turbo is a token that have two narrative, combination of two narrative. Number one is it is a meme coin, and secondly, it is a AI meme token. So it is in the AI narrative, and also it is a meme token. And if you come back down a little bit to the market that you can buy Turbo right now, you can see Turbo is on Binance already. You can buy on Coinbase. You can also buy Turbo on OKX, BitGet, Kraken, KuCoin, all these exchanges where you can buy Turbo. You can buy Turbo right now if you want to get the most out of the bull market. This is one of the coins that I am personally holding in large quantity in my portfolio. And I've bought it a long time ago, but it is still a good buy price right now. Now, if you look at what Turbo is doing right now, we have 11,000%. Let's say, for example, you invested a $50. So 11,000% mean that this very token, if you do 11 divided by 100, it means that it has done 110x. So let's say if you invest $50, just $50 early enough, and this token have done 110x, that is 11,000%. You should have made $5.5K dollars. This is significant because with the least $50 you can make this much, and that is not the bull market, okay? And if you invest $200, that means you could have made $22,000 from this very token. And this is also very, very significant because last year was not the bull market. Year before last was not the bull market. And this coin have been pumping this much. What do you think is going to happen in the heat of the bull market, especially when we move into the heat of the bull market in this very year, 2025? And that is why I consider Turbo one of the coin or meme token that you should hold in your portfolio with the least $50, no matter how small that can be. And if you look at the price chart right here, you discover that Turbo have been making significant move. Look at it right here on TradingView. Market move upward. We see the first move. Market come back down. Another buy opportunity. Market move upward again. come back down, another buy opportunity, and then market move with this sporadic move right here. Market move all the way from here upward, and then show us another buy opportunity right here. Market move again. The last move that we saw last year, market move significantly when we see that Binance listing. And right now, what do you think? Market is going to correct a little bit into this very point of important support. Okay, market come down a little bit, this very area, market is going to make another significant pump all the way to the upside on Turbo, and that is why I believe this very token is a good hold in the heat of the bull market. And one thing you can also do is to DCA your position, that is dollar cost average your position, so that market is going to move upward. And even though market come back down after you buy, you have opportunity to buy more if market continue to come back all the way to the downside. But on this very price chart, what I am expecting is that from this very zone of important support right here, market should come down a little bit and then begin to move upward as we enter into the heat of the bull market. So consider Turbo a good hold for you in this very bull market, because if Turbo have done this much when we were not in the bull market, what do you think is going to happen to Turbo in the heat of the bull market? The second crypto that you need to hold in your portfolio in this very bull market is Kaspa. Look at it right here on coin market cap. Kaspa have done 62,000%, okay, since it have been on a major exchange, or since it has been listed on an exchange, even though it's a DEX. 62.2k%. This is a crazy massive increase. And you can also think that it is very, very high right now, but I can tell you that the price of Kaspa is still very, very low. The price right now is $0.11, which is 11 cents. And if you come down a little bit to this very area, you discover that Kaspa market capitalization right now is $2.95 billion. So it has have a significant market capitalization. But if you look at this very coin critically, you discover that Kaspa is going to do very, very well in the heat of the bull market. And the reason is because it is a layer one crypto, and it have a different consensus mechanism. It have a different way that the protocol work all together. It has its own blockchain. It have a lot of things, okay? And the team are doing their best to ensure that Kaspa lead the way when it comes to layer one. And if you look at this very area, you discover that Kaspa have a max supply 28.7 billion, and then the total supply 25.52 billion Kaspa already in circulation, which is the same with the circulation supply right here. And what that also means is that you can get Kaspa right now, okay, into your portfolio. Is a good hold for this very bull market. And like I said earlier, Kaspa have their own blockchain. This is very important. Explorer.kaspa.org. This is their own blockchain, okay? Kaspa is not running on any other blockchain. And this make it very, very sweet. And Kaspa is going to do very well in the heat of the bull market. Look at the exchanges you can get Kaspa on. We have Bybit, BitGet, Kraken, KuCoin, Mexi, Get.io, BMX, Bitmax, and all of these exchanges you can get Kaspa right now. If you take a look at this very significant increase that have happened on Kaspa, 62,000% all-time increase. That means if you have invested in this very coin, you could have made a significant gain. 62,000, okay, divide by 100. This is 620x. 620x. And if you invested just $50, the minimum $50 into this very token, and this could have made you $31,000. This is a huge return on a $50 investment. And if you have invested $100, this could have given you $62,000, and a $200 investment could have given you $124,000. Okay, and this is very, very interesting. Kaspa, for me, is going to do very well, in as much as we've seen the market capitalization now almost about 3 billion. It's still going to move upward because the technology is quite different from every other layer one that you can see out there. And I've been talking about Kaspa on this very channel. So Kaspa can make you rich in the heat of the bull market in this very year 2025. So get some Kaspa in your portfolio, even though it's a $50 worth of Kaspa. Get it right now. And if you look at where Kaspa is right now, technically, it is covered that market move upward. I am on the 1 week chart, and then it come back all the way to the downside. Right now, if you look at this very point, this is a very key major level of support. And that is where the market is right now. Major level of support where the market is right now is the best area or zone to buy Kaspa, because if you look at what has happened in the past, from this point, market move upward in the past, come back down to the same area, market move upward in the past, come back down to the same level, and then move again. What do you think is going to happen this time around? Market is already at that same point, which means market have capacity of moving all the way upward, because that is what we've seen in the past on Kaspa. And if the market can break this very strong level of resistance, which market have been touching all this while, it means that if Kaspa move upward and break this very level, market is going to begin to move all the way upward on this very token. And by the way, if you look at what has happened earlier on Kaspa, okay, for the past few months, look at it, market move all the way from here down when Kaspa was at 0.02, and it began to move upwards sporadically, and it has have significant new highs all the way to where the market is right now. And that is why Kaspa is one of the best coin or token you have to hold in your portfolio right now if you want to make the most out of this very bull market. And the best time to get it is right now and at this very point of important support, because from here market is going to move all the way to the upside, so that you don't miss out on that very major move that is coming into Kaspa right now. Kaspa is my second crypto you should not miss in this very bull market, even though it has done this much in the past. So get these two crypto into your portfolio right now. It's going to explode, especially as we enter into the heat of the bull market in 2025. So if you gain value from this video, consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video right now, subscribe, turn the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for all that crypto content. Join our Telegram channel, the link in the description and also in the pinned comment for more crypto updates, news, investing strategies, and how to invest in new crypto token that have not entered on major exchanges yet. The link in the description. If you want to watch my video on the best crypto narrative in this very bull market, check this video right here. And if you want to watch my video on how to trade crypto step-by-step guide, check this video right here. It's going to help you. Thanks for supporting this channel.